In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a preferred currency and currency formatting in HubSpot. We'll start right from your browser. Open a new tab, head to your search engine and look up HubSpot. Click through to the official site and sign into your account. Make sure you're using a login with permission to edit account settings because we'll be changing a company-wide default. Once you're in HubSpot, look to the top of the screen for the small gear icon. That's the shortcut to settings. Click it to open your account settings area. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section for Account Management, then select Account Defaults. This is where global preferences live, including language, time zone, and the currency options we'll use. Inside Account Defaults, go to the Currency section. Here, you'll see details about your current company currency, and if your account has multi-currency enabled, you may also see a list of available currencies. This page also shows how values will display in the app, which is helpful for confirming formatting like the currency symbol and number separators. Next, look for the Actions menu on the Currency page and click it. From the drop-down, choose Edit Company Currency. This opens a dialog where you can set the default currency used across deals, quotes, and many reports. Use the drop-down to pick your preferred currency. As you select different options, pay attention to the preview and symbol so you can confirm the formatting will look the way your team expects. This helps avoid confusion later, especially if your business spans regions that use different number separators or currency symbols. When you're confident in your selection, click Continue. HubSpot will ask you to confirm because this change affects your entire account. The company currency becomes the default for new money fields and calculations, so it's a good idea to align with your finance or operations team before finalizing. To apply the change, click Save. HubSpot will update the setting, and you may see a brief delay before it's reflected everywhere. After saving, amounts across deals and other records will adopt the selected symbol and formatting, giving your team a consistent view of revenue and pipeline. That's it. You opened Settings, navigated to Account Defaults, selected the Currency section, used the Actions menu to edit the company currency, chose the correct option from the drop-down, confirmed with Continue, and saved your changes. With this done, your preferred currency and its formatting will be consistent across your HubSpot workspace, improving clarity for reporting, forecasting, and day-to-day deal management.